Go ahead, Juan. There you go. What's going on? Yeah, it's loud. Yeah, oh yeah. Exactly. Hey Chris, here's a picture. The boats are gonna hit the water up too, so. Okay, Frank. Yeah, man, I forgot to cover my ears on that one. Go. There you go.
Get everybody back there right now. It'll save a little bit of time, and we'll give everybody a copy of the photograph for your purposes. So if everybody can step out.
Just smile, looking at
Ken Franke, Franke, Sportfishing Association of California.
Okay, and so where are we right now, and what are we at?
Well, right now we're at the end of Shelter Island aboard the charter boat, the Dolphin, and we just did a send-off for about 200 yachts sailing to Cabo San Lucas from San Diego. 21st annual event. We had visitors from Canada, Washington, Oregon, San Francisco, all staying in San Diego for the last month. And this is their annual sailing event at Cabo San Lucas. So there's about 1,200 people on the boats. It looked like a big, huge costume party. Everybody had their Halloween costumes on, and we used the America's Cup shotgun to start the event. And we had officials from Mexico, as well as the captain of the Port of San Diego from the Coast Guard was here, and they actually started the event with the shotgun. So they're on their way. Take them about 2.5 days, and it's flat, calm, gorgeous all the way to Cabo. And this is the first event going to Cabo since the hurricane. So Cabo's kind of happy to see them coming.
And then also talk about kind of the significance of the event. I was reading something about it's like the second largest, or the largest on the West Coast, something like that.
Yeah, this event is the second largest event of its kind, a cruising event in the world, and it's the largest event on the Eastern Pacific Ocean. And so it's got 21 years of history. It's hosted by Latitude 38 magazine is who puts it together, one of the premier sailing magazines.